Hello everyone. Hello everyone who is ready to do another laser CNC project. This girl is. I love using the laser CNC. Last week on this channel, I used the laser CNC to make myself a whale skeleton to hang from my ceiling. There's the body. And I love my whale skeleton. So today we're doing more with the laser CNC. Instead of cutting out wood though, we're going to be laser engraving tile. So of course I was still in Wyoming when I filmed this and did this project, but I didn't film it all there. I'm filming some of it here, so like YouTube magic, it allows me to travel in space and time. I'm the doctor. Anyhow. So in this video, we're going to be using the laser CNC to engrave on white bathroom tiles. And this is the back of the tile because I can't show you the front or it ruins this video. So to do this, all you have to do is put all you have to do is put a tile in the laser, make up your design, and it will go over it and etch a design into your tile. But that's not very much fun, because if you only do that, then you only end up with a tile that has glaze in some areas and not glazed in other areas where the laser burnt it off. So you have very little contrast between your tile and your design. Using science, we can make this a little bit more dramatic. Enter titanium dioxide, a color additive in white paint or a mineral used in mineral-based sunscreens. That may be, a white patch on your nose, titanium dioxide. So our very first step is we have to coat our tiles with white paint containing titanium dioxide in it. And you can actually find charts online that tell you, how much titanium dioxide is in each type of white spray paint. That was our very first step, and the reason we're doing this is because when the laser hits the titanium dioxide on the surface of the tile, it induces a structural change of the titanium dioxide, and it changes it into another crystalline form. So certain molecules and compounds in chemistry can exist in multiple different structural forms. Even if it's always made up of titanium and oxygen, titanium oxide, it can exist in a couple of different orientations that change its physical properties. Most specifically, the structure of the molecule will change what wavelengths of light it absorbs or what wavelengths of light it reflects, and therefore the actual color of the material. So the laser hitting the titanium dioxide changes the structure of it in such a way that makes it absorb more light. When something absorbs more light, it gets darker in color. So instead of having just, unglazed tile versus glazed tile, we have a white and black design on our tile. Black where the laser hit it and etched the design into the tile. So let's do that. In this case, I showed you where I coated my tiles with the titanium dioxide paint, waited for that to dry. While I was waiting for that to dry, I made up my own design in Adobe Illustrator. You guys know how much I love my women scientists, so I stuck together an image of Rosalind Franklin with some DNA, because why the heck not? And then bam, we go to the laser. Before I actually laser cut this one, I did a little bit of an experiment with a little tiny icon and just changed the power in the different settings on the laser to figure out what was going to give me the optimal results. So I used those optimal settings to laser engrave this and press the button on the laser and away we go. Alright, now that we've laser engraved it, you ready to see it? Let me pull that back. There's a little bit of a glare because of the shine of the tile, but you can see the DNA, Rosalind Franklin, the other DNA, and how much darker it is than the rest of the tile. And that's not just this white tile underneath, that's that chemical change in the structure of the titanium dioxide. So super cool science. I think my tile turned out really cute, getting so many ideas that I could just, redo my entire kitchen or bathroom with women scientist tiles. JK, my husband, definitely would not let me do that. If you're interested in learning more about this technique or wanting to try it yourself, I believe it is called the Norris tile technique, the Norris white tile technique, and you can look up more information online. A couple of other people have made videos about doing it with more specifics of what programs and stuff they used. Again, I was using the laser CNC at the makerspace in Wyoming as I was visiting my parents, and this is a really cool and fun thing to just kind of do, because What honestly can you not laser engrave? Things you should not laser engrave. PVC, because it will
emit pure chlorine gas when cut. Thick polycarbonate. Cuts very poorly and catches on fire. ABS emits cyanide gas and tends to melt. Milk bottle plastic catches fire and melts. Polystyrene catches fire. Polypropylene catches fire. Fiberglass emits fumes. Colored carbon fiber emits noxious fumes.
Alright, so I guess you can't laser cut everything. You can laser engrave almost anything. It's so much fun. I love being able to create my own custom tiles or mugs or etc. Wood cutouts, all of the above. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked my finished tile. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my Buy Me a Coffee page, and as always, keep it sightsy!